Hi everyone, my name is Keneto and I'm your PharmEZ Tutor. So why the name PharmEZ? Well, first of all, I have been a hospital pharmacist for over 35 years, specializing in critical care. Throughout my entire career, I presented hundreds of lectures on drug therapy to pharmacy students and pharmacy interns. The easy part comes in because the students who have attended my lectures have often commented that the material is easy to understand compared to what they learned in school. This channel is designed to provide drug therapy talks to healthcare professionals, primarily to those in the pharmacy field, especially pharmacy students. All of these educational tutorials will be presented with an organized structure for easier learning. Topics will include antibiotics, cardiac vasoactive drips, kinetic dosing, TPN, new drug approvals, and many more. Now, managing drug therapies to treat various clinical disease states can be challenging, and it can become very complicated if not taught in an organized way. Over the years, I devoted myself to teaching and precepting pharmacy students and interns by presenting lectures on drug therapy. I took pride in always trying to construct the most up-to-date, high-quality presentations. As I mentioned earlier, students have commented that these lectures were easy to understand and a very good supplement to what they were learning in school. Many of these students have gone on to well-respected postgraduate residency programs. By creating this YouTube channel, I now have the opportunity to share these same lectures to a broader audience of pharmacy students and other healthcare professionals, whether you are in training or in practice. I can bring these lectures straight to your computer at home, at school on your laptop, or at your practice site on your mobile device. All healthcare professionals are welcome to join in: pharmacists, pharmacy students and residents, nurses and nursing students, nurse practitioners and physician assistants, medical students and residents and physicians. The content of the material presented will be organized, concise, practical, current, and evidence-based. My goal is to explain complicated material to make it easier for you to understand. Please be sure to read the disclaimer below before watching any of the videos. Thanks for watching this introduction to the PharmEZ Tutor. I hope you continue to tune into this channel to watch my tutorials and to learn about drug therapy the easy way.